Hi everyone, Nathan here. I was just recently gifted these Muze by Vivitar VIBRANCE true wireless earphones with a digital LED display. Just unboxed them. Wanted to just see what I had here. Hey, I'm game for a new pair of true wireless earbuds. Just one of the weird ways I have fun, just trying out new things. And someone actually gifted me these Muze by Vivitar VIBRANCE true wireless earbuds. They brag of a 6-hour playtime for regularly, plus 2 extra charges provided by the case, up to 18-hour playtime, and they say it's going to have 18-hour play air automatic pairing. Now that one, I don't think I've ever really used that with the true wireless earbuds I've played with. Usually you just have to turn Bluetooth on and just get them to pair correctly by whatever they're named. Comes with a basic instruction manual, different ear tips that definitely will play with to see about getting a good fit. The actual charging cable itself, USB-C charging, very good. Very short cable. I may actually use a different charger for that. I imagine they anticipate you having this near a computer or some other computing device. Yep, that's USB-C charging. That's very good. Modern there. And the earbuds themselves, not really expecting them to look like those fancier wireless devices from a certain fruit themed technology company, but hey, most of the true wireless earbuds of the different brands that I've got, hey, they've usually sounded pretty good for just podcasts, just light listening to music, sometimes for like long time listening to music. Sometimes you get surprised. So we're hoping for a good surprise here. We're going to try these VIBRANCE out, true wireless earbuds out, and just see what we have. So we've got the unboxing done. If someone else has some of these, maybe you've gotten these from a discount store or gifted them, hey, let's compare notes and see how they sound. We'll get them charged up and just see what we've got here. Maybe we've got a nice set of true wireless earbuds. Let's see.